give us a countless chances. You didn't teach us lessons. You taught us how to believe in ourselves. Because of you, we learned that every lesson has meaning and every mistake helps us to grow. To our beloved parents, lalo naging sa akong nga mama at papa. Pabuang rason nga ari kami diri subong. Thank you for all your sacrifices, your unconditional love. There were times when we did not understand your decisions, when we felt restricted or thought you were too strict. But now, as we stand here, we finally see the love behind every no, every reminder, and every sacrifice. You are not limiting us, you are protecting us, guiding us, and shaping us into who we are today. May mga adlaw nga daw na puno na gid kami sa ulubrahon, pero kung makabati kami sa kaya mo na, anak ta ka, ay we learn na wala kami gaisahanon. Kag-ara kamo sa among likod para mag-support. Today, we stand here not just as graduates, but as your proof that every sacrifices was worth it. To our friends, classmates, and fellow students, thank you for the friendships. Nadumduman niyo pa ay ng first day naton? Wow! Share na work, Driven. The awkward glances we exchange upon seeing unfamiliar faces. The laughter, the noise, the inside jokes that only we understood. Some got annoyed but chose to stay silent. Our chaos and every performance task we face. The gossips that spread, the tears that streamed, the misunderstanding that stayed silent, and the ups and downs we went through will always be remembered. Susabay panunlog hasta nga mapikon ka, di ba Ayan? Di na to si Ayan ma? Ang classmate nga may anak permit check nga bisan galigyo sila ni Martin, ni John Gaben, abaw, ara sila ya. Daw mga amiga, pero daw interested ka man sa ilang check Kada, Rema, check ka po? Ang mga katipid sa ilang kwarta, may libre ko parang na. Ang akong nga chekadora, nga biskan na klase, abaw, may topic man kami nga amon. Gab, okay ka kada? Sa himusod lang ang pag-soft-hearted, pero may ginatago man nga talent. Hime girl! Hi! May araw man nga kabalo kung saan mo maglinakas, kag saan o kabalo magsabay. Lord! Hi! Kag si Jocelyn nga kung abuton, manapak, kung abuton daw hindi man, the friendship we've built I will be forever grateful. You will be forever my chikadoras. You guys gently knocked on my heart and made me comfortable in ways I didn't expect. And of course, I would never forget the friendship I once had. Martin, Reka, Janet, Yamay, I'm glad we built a time together. We may have lost some bonds, yet the connection will always remain. Mike, Lord, Kimi, Kevin, wala na sang palabuton nga buwas para magunta na italiwat ulit. Wala na sa may mag-awat sa dalan. And when our paths cross again, tagi, madumduman ta lang ang isa kay isa.
Dito sure.
Ang mga times nga ginaway ta pagasundugunay. It is a part of our growth as individuals. Pero matabunan man lang sa happy memories. Some bonds were tested, some were lost, but the memories remain. Indeed, true bonds are tested by time and strengthened through experience. The friendship we build through struggles, performances, and shared experiences will always be part of who we are. To our alma mater, Tanawan National High School, you are the place that shaped our beginnings and nurtured who we are becoming. Within these walls, we faced challenges, celebrated small victories, and learned lessons that go far beyond textbooks. Though we are now moving forward, carrying our own dreams and paths, a part of us will always remain in this place. For it is here that we learn not only how to succeed, but how to grow, to endure, and to become. To ourselves, let's give ourselves a very round of applause. Paghambalan ta akong kaugalingon, I am proud of you. You did well. We are the living proof that no matter how strong the storms may be, we can endure. As long as we trust ourselves and move forward with courage and heart, and every step, we continue to prove and will always prove the words of Dr. Jose Rizal. Ang kabataan, ang pag-asa ng bayan. Here we stand, still fighting, still moving forward, until finally reach the success we've been working for. And with that, as we close this chapter, we carry more than just diplomas and achievements. We carry our dreams. And no matter where life takes us, we promise this. We will not forget where we came from. We will not forget who stood beside us. And we will not forget the hands that lifted us when we were too weak to stood. We are the batch of 2026, formed by different personalities, yet united by one goal. Like a saranggola, hindi na tuma ang ating patutunguhan. We were once held by guiding hands, lifted by support, and tested by strong winds. And just like a kite, we learned how to soar, not by avoiding the struggles, but by rising because of them. Long live Carbonics Batch 2026. This is the beginning of a new chapter. Let us continue to fight, to dream, and to love, until we meet again on the new heights and new victories. We are the batch of 2026, and always we will be. I am Jaya Espragera, and I am proud to be part of this family. Thank you and good afternoon.